Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to do your little snaps that you have in the kit. So you have one side that's the plug side and one side that's the snap side. So the one that's kind of thinner and has a smaller hole at the back, that's your plug, that's the thing that plugs in. And then the one that has the bigger hole is a little bit thicker. That is the plug, the hole. So I just realized that my shirt, the only extra shirt that I could find, so I could show you how to do it, is a female shirt, like a woman's shirt. So it's backwards. So like the sides are flipped that you probably have on your shirt, but it just means that it might look like I'm doing it on the wrong side, on a weird side, but I'm just gonna tell you based on like the side the buttons are, the side the holes are. So listen to that, not looking at and judging the left or right side. I'm sorry, that's the only shirt I could find. So for the plug, so this one, to put it on, you want to put it on the side where you've just attached your like fake button. So the one that has, you want to put it on the side that has the holes on it. So like this side is where the plug will go. So what you're gonna start with is again just red thread doubled on your needle. So you have 2 threads like this. And then you're going to flip it to the other side like this. And you're just gonna make a little anchor stitch again. And this one, I always find it's a little best to go a little bit smaller. So just a little in and out through the fabric, pull, and do it one more time. So you have your little anchor stitch like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your plug like this, so it's over your button and your buttonhole, and you're going to go through the fabric a little bit and then up through that hole. So you want to, like you're doing an anchor stitch, you want to take a little bit of fabric with your needle. So go down and up. And then when you come up through the fabric, you want to go right through the hole of your plug, one of the 4 holes of your plug. And then you're just going to pull it through. Like that. So my thread just broke. So I'm just going to show you, pretend this is doubled thread. I apologize. It just snapped. Okay. So then what you're going to do is once you've done that, you're going to do that again. And you want to do this like 4 or 5 times. I think I did mine about 5, but however many it makes until you think it's really, you feel it's secure. So again, a little bit through the fabric, and then up a little bit through the fabric, and then up through the hole. This side is really tricky because you have the hole in the way, so it's hard to get through that really thick. It's really hard to get through that really thick part in the fabric. And then there you go, up and then through that, like that. So you have, yours will be thicker because my thread is broken, but like that. And then you want to do that, I'd say like I said 4 or 5 times. And then you can also do it the special one way that she showed us in class, which was just do the same thing as you would normally do, like just go through the fabric a little bit and then up through that hole like that. And then what you would do is take your thread and just wrap it like that around your needle and then pull through. And what that does is it just makes these like little knots as you go, so it makes it a little bit more secure. So you do that until you till you fill your little circle here. And then to get to your next one, what you would do is you just do like a big anchor stitch to get to the next hole, near the next hole. So you go down through the fabric. Again, it's hard with this side. Down through the fabric and then up through the fabric close to where, see, I just got a little bit, but that's okay. You want to go deeper because else you'd see it. It's okay but if you can't though, because it's really hard on this side. And then just come up close to where you'd be, like this. And pull through. And then you just do that same thing for each of these. And to finish off, you do the same thing as you did with the button. You just hook your needle through these your stitches, wrap it around, put it through the loop, tie it, and cut it. So same as before. So your final product will look something like this. So see, you have each of them wrapped around, gone through the fabric, and then you just tie it off so you can't see it.